So this is the second video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can send bulk SMS to our fellowship members. So we are going to use a website. So the name is ACSL. So you search ACSL. So with this one, the reason why I said the requirement is laptop is you can actually use your phone to create the account. But because we will be using Excel sheets without your laptop, it will be very difficult for you. You click on this ACSL, that is the first thing that pops up. Then if it is your first time, you click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, it will bring you here to a form will pop up. So you fill in your details, then you confirm that you are not a robot, and they are going to send you a notification. So all right, my number already exists. Let me use different number. All right, so I'm going to use this number for it. Now when I don't expect to see this number again. All right, so I didn't see it. So automatically they will send an SMS. So my phone is vibrating. The SMS is 6. So you select the first one, 65018 650177878. So immediately I get this confirmation, I click on verify. Now I verify my email. So immediately I click on this, I can then log in. Okay, so send verification email. So this is going to be a verification email. So a verification link sent. So you have to go to this email. You can see that this is the verification email here. So you click on activate account, and immediately you click on activate account. Verification code not found. So sure. So I think it was 2. It was 2 rather. Good. So now it is done. Registration successful. Okay. So immediately I see this registration successful, it means I am done. So I've created an account. Now let me show you how you can actually purchase data. So if you want to purchase credit here, we buy credit on this website before you can use. When you sign up first, you get 10 free messages that you can send. But let me just take you through their purchase plan. So this is their purchase SMS plan. You can actually send 10 messages. 10 cedis can send 365 messages, and the expire means after 6 months, if you don't use it, it is going to expire. But I always choose that one. So you can buy 20 cedis. So let me make an effort to buy this 20 cedis. You click on purchase now, then you click this. Okay, purchase now. I think you have to select the method. Now the method is mobile money. When you click on mobile money, you can buy with Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, and MTN. You have to type your telephone number. So immediately you click on telephone number, you click on continue. You will see a pop-up on your phone where you can actually do that. So let's assume we have purchased the credit. Now let's look at how we can send a bulk SMS. So this is how the interface looks like. So first you have to go to SMS here, and you have SMS from file. So when you click on SMS from file, now you may have the chance to choose your Excel file. So I click on this, I go to my computer, and I have this one I just created for some secretaries that I know. So I have some names column where I have Ellen and others. I have their where I have their telephone number and the message I want to share to them, that good afternoon. Please, I want to remind you of our workshop. So it's basically what we are going to do, that I am sending this message. Now, when you are through with it, they're asking you phone number column. So you choose the column in the Excel sheet that correspond to the contact. So the tel actually has the number. Then how do you want to name it? I'm going to name it NAS. So when they receive pop-up on your phone, they will see that, oh, a message has come from NAS. Then you go to this one, select field. When you go to the select field, then you choose message. Okay, so when you choose message, I think there is something I need to show you here before I go. Where is it? Think, let me open this file for you. So you can see here, the name is actually the name column, the telephone number, that is, and the message. Always, that's the message you want to send to them. Always try and leave some space, one, and hit enter. So you see, you use this is called fill handle. This fill handle, you can double click on it and it automatically do it for all the other fields. So what I do it first, I type the heading name, then I type all the names I have here. Now the second one is tell, that is, you can choose to name it anyhow you want it. Then their contact number. Excel will automatically exclude all the zero portion. Then the message, when you press the down arrow, you see the message just below is what? The message. Don't worry yourself about where it is stretching to, just keep it like that. Now when you go here, the message, this message, if you click on send, it will automatically going to send good afternoon. Please, I want to remind you that this whole thing is what is going to send to all these names. Okay, that's how we do the bulk message. But in case we don't want it to do it like, but I want to say good afternoon, then we mention the name of the person. So let's say good afternoon, Ellen, or something. Then there is a way we customize this. So let's create another column, say message. Let's write it in full. Then let's make this as salute or greeting, anyhow you want it to be. Then here, let us copy everything, then put it under the second column, that is message. So when you click here, you select this and select everything here. I mean, you delete everything here, then you leave only good afternoon here. Press enter. So it means this cell is taking only the salutation, greetings. You double click on the fill handle to stretch it for you. Now you can see that the good afternoon is for all of them, but the message side, this is not for all of them. So you double click on it, or you can drag it like this. So you see we have good afternoon. Now let us delete the good afternoon from here. Okay, so we are going to have good afternoon. So this is going to give us good afternoon, then the name will follow. You will understand it when I'm explaining. So we have good afternoon, then we are going to do the name. Okay, so after the afternoon, let us leave one space. Okay, so let's drag this fill handle to do it for all of them. So I'm going to have good afternoon, then the name Ellen. So Ellen will say good afternoon Ellen, then Ellen will say please, then the message will follow. You leave space. If you don't leave space, what is going to happen is they are going to see the message will be together. Now let us save this and go back and do it again. So let me start the whole process for you. Refresh it. If you click on this refresh button here, I mean, click on choose file, go to the file, then you click another one. So the file, the thing is there for us. Now, row headers, first row as headers is correct, but which one is the full number? That is the phone number, not the full number. The phone number is the telephone aspect. Then the message, let's name it as NAS. Now remove duplicate is yes. In case some of the numbers duplicate, is going to remove them. Now instead of here, we will do the salute. That is basically, the salute basically means good morning or something. Now, good morning, who? So, good morning, the name. So, this means good morning, Ellen, or good morning, Pearl. Then the actual message comes like this. So, good morning, Pearl, then the message. So, you can see salutation, that is good morning, the name, Pearl, then the message. So, good morning, Pearl, then the message. Please be reminded. So, that is how we do it. After here, just hit the send message button, and this will automatically send all the message that you want to send for you. So you see my phone is vibrating, telling me I've actually received the message. So I believe Ellen and the rest will have also received the same message.